Welcome to another episode of SwillinGrog's Wonderful World of Beer. This time around I'll be reviewing Old No. 38 Stout, 5.6% alcohol by volume, brewed and bottled by the North Coast Brewing Co. of Fort Bragg in California. Now what more can I tell you about Old No. 38 Stout? Well, I've never tried it before, but I've tried many other brews from North Coast Brewing and I've been quite impressed with them, so I'm really looking forward to this one. Well, the appearance is a very dark brown colour, almost black, with a reddish hue that I can kind of see in the light there. It's got a very minimal amount of tan head, just a fine ring in fact. Well, what I'm picking up there is, some dark roasted malts, some coffee, but yeah, it's quite pleasant, so I think it's time to dive in. Cheers to you all. Alright, well the flavour does really follow the nose. Up front I'm tasting those dark roasted malts. There's a hint of coffee there, chocolate even. The finish is very dry. Although the bitterness is very minimal, only just there for balancing, but yeah, it's got a very sort of thick consistency as well. Yeah, I mean it's very drinkable without a doubt, and also very sessionable. I think the only thing really that's going to hold it back, like some of the other beers that I've reviewed recently, is the price. It's quite pricey and quite hard to find, but if you do if you do see it, then I'd certainly suggest picking up a bottle or a six-pack. You're definitely going to enjoy it. It really is delicious. Well, in terms of a score out of 10, it doesn't exactly blow my mind, but I think it's a very solid stout. I think the only thing lacking is that it's sort of not as creamy as some of the other stouts that I've had in my time, but don't let that be a deterrent. It's still very good, but what would I give it? It's a tough one. I'd probably give this 8.5 out of 10. Yeah. Alright, so that does bring us to the end of yet another SwillinGrog beer review. So, until next time, fare thee well, all.